Hello techies, we are in lab 5.12.4 and we are going to explore VLANs. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to increase the network closer security by implementing a CCTV system with IP cameras. So as part of this task, you need to separate the CCTV data traffic on the network using a separate VLAN on the switch. So the patch panel connection for the networking closet lobby and the IT administrator office are installed and ready for use. So that is port 18 to 20. So a DHCP server is already configured to provide the IP cameras and the laptop in the IT administration office. With the correct TCP/IP setting, which is for 21 for an easier implementation, create the logical VLAN first and then establish the physical connection of the IP cameras and the laptop. So in this lab, our task is to access the switch management console from IT admin using the following credentials. So let's just go ahead and start up lab. Should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. So we'll just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so this is loaded. Let's start up right away. We open Google Chrome and okay, let's maximize this so that you see what I'm doing clearly. And we're going to type in the address provided in the task. Let's see the address provided 192.168.0.2. I will just copy and paste because of time. And the username, we'll copy the username and paste also. The password, we copy and paste the password also. Alright, so we create a VLAN and we click on add. So VLAN ID is going to be 2. VLAN name, let's see what we have. So we just copy and paste IP cameras. Okay, so we click on apply, click on close, and ports to VLAN. So we go over here and change this to 2. Then click on let's see. So 18, I'm going to change this to untagged. 19 is going to be untagged. 20 is going to be untagged. This is going to be untagged also. And we click on apply. So go to flow 1. And while in flow 1, we go to hardware. CCTV cameras. and we drag and drop cameras here and turn this to back so that we can impute the cables, the network cable. So we drag cable here. So we plug this into this port here of the camera, and we'll plug the second one into this port right here. So turn this back to front and we place this here. So we'll go back to floor 1 and we'll go to hardware in the networking closet. Alright, so inside the networking closet, drag IP camera here. Turn back, go to the cable, drag a cable out here, and then plug in one end of the port here, and the second end of the port is going to go into this port right here. Okay, so turn the camera back to front, then drag the camera here. Okay, so let's see, scroll down. So we drag this cable here and we plug one end of this RJ45 cable into, okay, let's see what we have from our task. We plug it into this port and the other end is going to go into this port. Okay, so let's go to IT hardware, IT administration, the hardware, and click on back, drag a cable down here. So plug in one end here, plug in the other end here. So we'll turn this back to front. Let's enter into the PC and let us search for IP cameras. Let's open the camera and so we have lobby and networking closet cameras that we just added, and they're all online. Okay, so let's go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video helpful in any way, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.